Here are the reasons why it is wrong for a prosecutor to argue against a defendant having legal counsel, including the specific circumstances you've mentioned. 1. Violation of constitutional rights. The Sixth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution guarantees the right to counsel in criminal prosecutions, explicitly emphasized for indigent defendants as per landmark cases like Gideon v. Wainwright *. 2. Ensuring a fair trial. Legal representation ensures that the defendant has access to someone with legal expertise to navigate the court system, present defenses, challenge evidence, and negotiate outcomes. Without this, the fairness of the trial could be compromised. 3. Preventing miscarriages of justice. Counsel helps prevent wrongful convictions or overly punitive sentences by ensuring that all legal defenses are thoroughly explored, rights are protected, and plea deals are evaluated in the defendant's interest. 4. Ethical responsibilities of prosecutors. The role of a prosecutor is to seek justice, not merely secure convictions. Opposing counsel can be seen as contrary to this duty, potentially tilting the scales of justice unfairly. 5. Potential bias or conflict of interest. If the prosecutor, like Weatherman, has previously indicated there was no case, as he did with Benjamin Arnold prior to the April 18, 2024 trial, then arguing against counsel might suggest an intent to simplify the path to conviction rather than ensure a fair trial, especially considering he consolidated 5 cases against McClanahan but only tried 2. 6. Equal protection under the law. The 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause implies that all defendants, regardless of financial means, should have equal access to legal defense. Denying counsel based on indigency might be seen as discriminatory. 7. Public perception and trust in the legal system. When prosecutors argue against providing counsel, it can undermine public confidence in the fairness of the judicial process, implying that outcomes are predetermined or that not all are treated equally before the law. 8. Legal precedent and practice. There is a wealth of legal precedent affirming the right to counsel at all critical stages of criminal proceedings. Opposing this established practice goes against judicial norms and integrity. 9. Complexity of law. The legal system's complexity requires professional navigation to avoid procedural errors or oversights. Counsel ensures these complexities are handled correctly. 10. Defendants' understanding. Legal counsel ensures that defendants are fully aware of their rights, the charges they face, the implications of their choices, and the judicial process, preventing uninformed decisions due to a lack of legal comprehension. In this specific case, if Weatherman told Arnold there was no case and later chose to prosecute only 2 out of 5 consolidated charges, his opposition to providing you with counsel becomes particularly notable, potentially indicating an intent to proceed with a legal strategy that might not withstand the scrutiny of adequate defense, thus highlighting the critical need for representation to ensure fairness.